Welcome to this tutorial on how the Cash App works. The Cash App is a mobile payment service that allows users to send and receive money using their mobile devices. To get started, you need to download and install the Cash App from the App Store. Then create an account by providing your email address, phone number, and a password. Once you have an account, you can link your bank account, credit card, or debit card to the Cash App. This will allow you to add and withdraw funds from your account. To add funds, simply click on the Add Cash button and follow the prompts to enter the amount you want to add in. Confirm the transaction. To send money, open the app and enter the amount you want to send. Then enter the recipient's phone number, email address, or $hashtag. The $hashtag is a unique identifier that allows users to send and receive money without having to know each other's personal information. You can also use the app to request money from others by sending a request to their phone number or email address. One of the key features of the Cash App is the ability to invest in stocks and buy and sell Bitcoin. To do this, you need to verify your identity by providing your name, date of birth, and social security number. This will give you access to the investment features of the app, where you can buy and sell stocks and Bitcoin using the funds in your account. The Cash App also offers a number of security features to protect your account and transactions. These include two-factor authentication, encryption, and fraud protection. To keep your account secure, make sure to use a strong password and keep your phone and computer secure. In terms of fees, the Cash App charges a small fee for instant transfers, but standard transfers are free. The app also offers a cash card, which is a debit card that can be used to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs. To use the Cash App effectively, make sure to keep your account funded. Use the app regularly to send and receive money, and take advantage of the investment features. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication and keep your phone and computer secure to protect your account and transactions. Overall, the Cash App is a convenient and secure way to send and receive money, invest in stocks and Bitcoin, and make purchases using the Cash Card. By following these steps and using the app regularly, you can get the most out of the Cash App and enjoy the benefits of mobile payments.